Hello friends! In this episode I want to present to you a portable screen ideal for older cars, vans, camper vans or even RVs because it gives you access to modern features like CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can listen to your favorite songs, use the most popular navigation apps, use mirroring, and it also comes with front and rear view cameras ideal for large vehicles. So let's finish with the chit chat and move on to the unboxing. This product was sent to me for review and testing by a company called Lamtto, but don't worry, my review will be as objective as possible, just like all my other video reviews. The key features of this product are written on the box. I will show them directly on the car, so I won't go into detail now to avoid making the video too long. Let's see what's inside the box. The most important element in the box is right on top, namely the portable screen. The display is protected by a thin film with several quick instructions and important notes printed on it. On the back of the screen we have a camera that records in resolutions up to 4K and a stand with a 3M adhesive pad. You don't necessarily have to use this stand, there is also the option of a suction cup mount for the windshield. On the side we have a USB-C port for power, a port for the rear view camera, a slot for microSD cards with a 64GB card already included for loop recording of the surveillance cameras, and a jack port if you want to connect the screen to the car's audio system aux port. In the box we also have the rear view camera with a very long power cable, ideal for installation on larger vehicles. Here is the power cable that goes into the cigarette lighter socket. Of course, you can also power the screen from a USB port in the car if you have one, using a simple USB-C charging cable. Here is the suction cup mount for the windshield, with multiple adjustments available depending on your preference. You also get a spare 3M double-sided adhesive strip and several adhesive cable clips, a plastic trim removal tool, an aux cable if you want to use it, and another accessory for fixing the suction cup mount on something else than the windshield. The user manual included in the box is very easy to understand with pictures and simple instructions. For these kinds of screens, I like to first test the wireless connection speed of CarPlay and Android Auto in real time. Here we have the screen, which I will power from a power bank, and an iPhone. I will activate Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone, and then power on the screen as if I were turning on the ignition in the car. The screen started in 9 seconds, and another 9 seconds until CarPlay was activated. That seems pretty fast to me. Basically, by the time you drive out of the parking lot, CarPlay is already functional. Now let's check the connection for Android Auto. This is usually slower because it loads more apps than the iPhone. I'll turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then connect the power cable. Again 9 seconds for the screen. We can already see the Android Auto icon on the phone. And it takes 30 seconds until Android Auto is fully initialized. Most likely this took longer because I already had Waze and YouTube Studio active from my previous connection. We will test more functions directly in the car to also check the sound. I will install the display together with the rear view camera on this van, which I plan to turn into a camper van in the near future. This tray seems like the ideal place to mount the stand with the screen's adhesive base. I connected the screen to the car's cigarette lighter. Now I go into audio output settings. FM mode is already selected. and I just need to set the car radio to the frequency the screen is transmitting on. You can set any other frequency you prefer. Now I'll let you see how this display works with real-time footage.
Turn left. Then make a U-turn.
Hey Google, play next song. Hey Google, drive to Bucharest.
Sure, Bucharest. Let's go.
Hit the club and turn the shoot to a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geek toe. Need to get go with an extremely new. See six midgets that be fire juggling. Maybe it's just me, cause my mind is struggling. Babes, boyfriend is acting like a clown. You know what's going down every time we get down. Taking a look through the peephole. Yo, everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them leaks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show.
Damaged by vibrations. And we've got a perfect fit. Now I'll connect the camera to the cable I ran from the front, use a zip tie to secure any excess wire and connectors, as a final conclusion, I've been using this screen intensively and I can say I am very satisfied with it. It does everything the manufacturer promises in the specifications, but what I like most is that it comes with both the front and rear view cameras, which I can view live. Thanks to the front camera, I no longer need to buy a separate dashcam, and considering the current price of only £90 on Amazon for this screen, I can say it basically costs the same as a decent dashcam, so it's definitely worth the money. I left the Amazon product link in the description. On my channel you'll find many similar reviews, so you don't waste money unnecessarily. If you want to support the effort that went into filming and editing this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a like or leave a comment, it's free. I wish you all the best, goodbye.